Sweet. Ooh, all right. Nice job. Hell yeah. That's awesome.
There's nothing.
Dude, that's awesome. The birds are like, ah! That is so cool. That is so cool.
Yeah, I keep forgetting the flaps on takeoff.
Oh yeah, they go up faster. Watch out, you stupid birds. It would be hilarious if you took one out. That would just be fucking hilarious.
Please, birds.
Seriously.
Oh, they're running away.
Nice. Chase them. Then watch the vultures come after your plane. There are vultures all over here.
Oh, shit.
That is so cool.
Trying to figure out a good way to land it. Barrel roll.
Sweet.
I cleared the skies.
You did. They're gone. That is awesome.
They're still running away.
This is sweet, dude. He just wants to stay up.
Yeah, wind is a lot of wind too. All these trees make it kind of tough for me to approach. God damn it!
Yeah, the gust just happened when you went there.
Not gonna happen. Wave off.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be a beautiful video. You had the sunset right there, and you just flew into it. The clouds look awesome on video.
I think the big part of having a beautiful video is landing in one piece.
Oh, you will. You're gonna land it so well. I'm just gonna stand here, and you can aim right for me. I trust you.
Okay. We'll see about misguided trust.
I already told Trisha Christmas or next birthday. I want a plane.
Fuck. Back away.
That was awesome! That was awesome! That was awesome! That is so great! That was awesome!
God, that was so bad.
That was perfect. It was like, boom! Dude, I'm totally sending you this video. Look at, you're a pro.
Every fucking landing.
It wasn't too